bond has been set for the adoptive parents of that 7-year-old boy found dead inside that washing machine.
Troy Khoeler died back in July. Jermaine and Tiffany Thomas were both arrested yesterday, charged in Khoeler's death. This afternoon, they remain in custody.
Adam Bennett is outside the family's home in Spring, and Adam, prosecutors shared this really difficult information in court that we want to warn folks is hard for some to hear.
Yeah, these details are really disturbing, Mia. You know, one neighbor told me he is surprised it took this long to bring charges in this case, while another told me he can't imagine any parent doing what this couple is accused of doing.
Mr. Thomas, are you a U.S. citizen? Yes. You requesting a court-appointed lawyer? Yes.
A brief, routine Q&A in probable cause court this morning is all we heard from Jermaine Thomas after he was charged with capital murder. His wife, Tiffany Thomas, charged with injury to a child, was not in court for mental health reasons. The magistrate set bail at $2 million for Jermaine, $150,000 for Tiffany, after prosecutors shared new details in their son's death. Deputies found 7-year-old Troy Khoeler's body in a washing machine inside the family's garage on Rosegate Drive on July 28th. Khoeler's adopted parents had reported him missing less than a couple hours earlier. Jermaine Thomas spoke to KHOU later that night.
I put my key in the door and then the door open. But anything else after that, I don't know.
As in the door was unlocked already?
Yeah, but I don't know.
But in court documents, a Harris County Sheriff's Office homicide investigator says the couple made several inconsistent statements, contradicted by surveillance video and cell phone records. The medical examiner ruled Khoeler's death a homicide, saying he suffered from asphyxiation, possible drowning, and blunt force trauma.
This defendant would have been the last adult present in the residence while the complainant was alive. The fact that the complainant could not have run himself through a wash cycle on the washing machine on his own.
Prosecutors say text message chats between the couple show, quote, deep contempt for their adopted son.
Officers observed a text in which defendant Tiffany told this defendant that the complainant told her the truth about eating her oatmeal cream pies because she, quote, threatened to put him in the stove and turn it on, end quote.
In those court documents, the homicide investigator also said that school personnel at Khoeler's school initiated 2 CPS investigations after alerting authorities to facial bruising and blackened eyes. Both defendants are due in court tomorrow morning. Ron?
What a horrible case. All right, thank you so much, Adam Bennett, for that update.